Hey guys, Jared here from the channel Millionaire Mind, and I'm going to show you 3 apps that you can use to get paid residually and passively, literally for doing nothing, whether you're sleeping on the couch, going about your normal activities in the day, or whatever it may be. You can get paid through these apps, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this, so stick around until the end of the video so you can understand exactly how these apps work. And the first app that I want to show you is called Mobile Expression, and you can find this application on their website at mobileexpression.com or the Google Play Store as Mobile Expression Panel, or on the iOS or Apple App Store called Mobile Expression. And what you're going to do is you're going to install this app like any other application you would on the Play Store or App Store, and you're just going to use your phone as you normally would, and you will get paid for this, whether you, take pictures on your phone, what apps you use, whether you shopping online on different applications on your phone, you will get paid for this. And you will then earn rewards, credits, and that sort of thing on your mobile device, as I say, for using it as you would, which can be redeemed into cash. And basically why they do this is because the application developers want to know what type of person, what type of customer you are, what apps you use, how long you use them, whether you play games on your phone, shop online, or take pictures. They want to sort of identify what sort of customer you are, and they then use this data or information for companies, and they can learn sort of what adverts to make, which audiences to perhaps target, and how to sort of advertise their adverts based on the type of information you've given them. And this application is not interested in any personal information about you. All they want to know is how you use your phone, as I say, whether you're an online shopper, whatever it may be. So as I say, just install the app and go about your day. It's as simple as that. And as I say, companies will then use this information to create better apps, better operating systems, or better games for your mobile device, and to essentially use this information to improve the user experience. So let's talk about how you actually get paid on this app. So you will receive a $5 Amazon gift card on this app 1 week after you register, but this unfortunately only applies to the people in the US. And then you will basically earn rewards, points, or credits, that sort of thing, for running certain apps on your phones, sending emails, whatever it may be, sending text messages, whatever it may be. But remember, it doesn't actually record what you do on your phone. It can just tell what sort of apps are running. So for example, if you play games mostly on your phone, this app will then read that, and it will sort of take all the users of this application and sort of see, okay, are most of the users playing games, or most people shopping online, or most people using their phones for businesses, and they can judge, okay, they can see most people are playing games. So we know now to perhaps create more or improve the applications on gaming. And that's basically how it works. So you can go and search for it on the Google Play Store or the App Store, or if you can't find it, you can just go search in Google Mobile Expression APK download, and you can download it from a website and install it on your mobile device. And then the second application, which is very similar to Mobile Expression, is called smartpanel.io, which can be downloaded on the App Store or the Google Play Store. And as I say, Smart Panel is very similar to Mobile Expression, where this smart app runs in the background of your mobile device anonymously and securely, while collecting data about how you and the others that use your device, and they basically collect data about, as I say, the usage of the device, the features, the apps that you use, websites and services that you perhaps use on your phone. And also they then use this research data, they collect it, they use it to sort of identify what type of a customer you are, basically to improve applications, websites, technology companies that are developing these apps. They basically then buy this information to understand, yes, we need to create more apps on gaming, or we need to create more apps on word processing, or whatever it may be. But as I say, these sort of apps do not share any personal information or protected information such as credit card information, passwords, with third-party software. They only use the information on how you actually use your phone. So you might think, how do these applications get the money to actually pay you for using your phone? So how it works is the data that they collect from their users is then sold off to companies to, as I say, improve their ads or apps and that sort of thing. And then smartdata.io or Mobile Expression then uses this money to pay you as the user, obviously providing this information. So let's talk about how you get paid on this app. So as soon as you sign up on this application, you will get $5 cash as a reward, and this will be redeemable within 30 days after using this app. And then, as I say, after that you will get paid for running applications on your phone, whether it's email programs, word processing programs, PDF readers, games, whatever it may be, you will get paid for this. So for as long as you are running the application on your phone, you will earn $5 per month, and that is about $110 per year. So that's literally $110 per year for doing absolutely nothing. I mean, that's, in my country, is about 1,500 Rand, which is a lot of money. It's enough for food, water, etc., and also to pay off a couple of bills for some entertainment perhaps. But yeah, it's really literally for doing nothing. And the nice thing about smartpanel.io, they also pay what you call loyalty bonuses. So as I say, panelists who keep their devices continuously connected will also receive an extra loyalty bonus every 3 months. So if you are confused about anything on smartpanel.io, you can go to the frequently asked questions tab, have a look at what some of the popular questions are, so you can learn some good information on this application and how it actually works. And then my third and final one is quite a new one to me, called Livecoin, and this is very similar to Sweatcoin, where you basically get paid to walk, whether you walk to the shop, you're walking at school or university or at work, or you walk to, I don't know, your friend's house. It could be anything. As long as you are walking, you will get paid for every single step that you make. And this app is available globally on iOS and Android devices, so it's free to use for anybody. And on this app you can use your Livecoins to purchase, I don't know, iPhones, PayPal, withdraw it into PayPal Cash, Amazon gift cards, Apple AirPods. There's so many things that you can buy on this app. You can see on the illustration here, there's even the Apple smartwatch. These are the different ways you can withdraw your money. So you can withdraw your money like to $100 to PayPal. You can buy drones, iTunes gift cards, different gift cards in different shops, Amazon as well. So if you think about it, it's similar to mining. Basically, you collect Livecoins with every GPS confirmed step, and the more steps you take, the more you earn. And the nice thing about this, you can also become an ambassador or an affiliate. So if you refer people to this program, you will basically get rewarded for their steps that they make as well, and you will also get a commission for signing them up. So you can see, if you go to the Livecoin app on the Google Play Store, it has a 4.2 star rating, which is very good. So it obviously does pay, as it says. There are 1 or 2 bad ratings, but you know, some people are very fussy when it comes to applications. But you can go through the different reviews, see what people have to say about the app, download it, test it yourself, and see that you actually do get paid for every single step that you make. And if you go to the iOS App Store, you can see it has even a higher rating at 4.7 stars than the Android application, and you can see a couple of screenshots, some illustrations of what the app perhaps look like. You can see some different reviews from different people. So basically, you download the Livecoin app, start walking, begin earning, and get rewarded with redeemable gifts. And every time you walk outside and log a mileage outside, Livecoin automatically counts your steps and converts them into Livecoins, which, as I say, can be converted into PayPal Cash or be used to buy certain products through, I don't know, whether it's Apple iPhones, the Amazon store, anything really. And as I say, there's also quite a profitable referral program where if you refer friends or family to this app, you will earn Livecoins. So basically, just encourage people to exercise and they will give you 5 Livecoins for every person that you refer. So guys, this was just a neat short video on 3 applications that you can use to earn money for literally doing nothing. So if you are perhaps wanting some more money for entertainment, to pay off a couple of bills, or that sort of thing, download these apps. You can use all 3 of them at the same time if you want to. So while you're walking, while you're using your phone, normally you're getting paid for all of these things at the same time. So all of these little bits of amounts of income coming in, it adds up, and it really, you know, can become beneficial. So if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment down below what your favorite one is. Mine is definitely Livecoin. I love the idea of getting paid to walk. And subscribe if you're new to receive some great content on how you can make money online, some motivational videos to help you with your business or just with you as an individual, and also to succeed in your online business. So until then, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.